DPF Delete Kit installation in Takeuchi TL12. Locate the common rail fuel pressure sensor. Note that in this assembly, the DPF has already been removed from the machine. In some cases, it might be easier to access the sensor by removing this metal bracket. Connect the adapter part of the harness, the plug with a purple wire to the physical sensor, and the other plug to the machine's harness. Connect the plugs from the emulator's harness instead of the differential pressure sensor and 3 temperature sensors. Post-installation, notice the lack of fault codes on the dash and proceed with assembling the straight pipe in place of the DPF. If you need to clear the codes from the cache memory, you will find the diagnostic port under the seat behind the metal bracket shown in the video.